Now for differentiate dy by dx of t and dy by dx of sin x, then we get dt by dx is equal to, what is dy by dx of sin x? Cos x. Therefore dt is equal to cos x dx integral cos 3x sin to the power of 6x dx. Then we can written as cos cube x can be written as cos square x into cos x and sin to the power of 6x dx. Therefore cos square x into sin to the power of 6x cos x dx, we have to write this cos square x in terms of sin square x 1 minus sin square x. I am saying first video onwards, cos square x means 1 minus sin square x sin to the power of 6x. How it is 1 minus sin square x came? It came from this formula, sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Now cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x. Okay, what we taken t is equal to sin x. Then 1 minus t square and t to the power of 6 and cos x dx means dt. Okay, and we have to multiply t to the power of 6 in the bracket terms. T to the power of 6 into 1, t to the power of 6 minus t to the power of 6 into t to the t square 7 8 t to the power of 8 dt. Therefore integral t to the power of 6 dt minus integral t to the power of 8 dt. Then we can get, by the, we know the formula x to the power of n dx is equal to x to the power of n dx is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Okay, t to the power of 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 minus t to the power of 8 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 plus c. Therefore t to the power of 7 by 7 minus t to the power of 9 by 9 plus c. What is c? What is t? What is t? We consider sin 7x by 7 minus sin 9x by 9 plus c. This is 9. Okay, this is the solution of this question. We go for the another question.